In places unseen, the world moves incessantly. That movement is built upon countless machines and facilities. And there is technology that guards the flow so those machines never stop. A small but decisive role responsible for the most critical moments at the heart of industry. MOLYTECH provides special lubricants and industrial chemical solutions, reducing friction, cooling heat, and extending equipment life. Across all manufacturing lines, including semiconductor and food production, MOLYTECH maintains stable performance, even in extreme environments of high temperature and high pressure. We design reliability for industrial operations. By increasing energy efficiency and ensuring safety. MOLYTECH protects the flow of industry. Invisible technology moves the world. MOLYTECH,